Ayun.
Acid.
Ayun.
Acid.
Vitamin.
Para si daddy mo carbo. Acid. Kaya, alam mo yung pag umiinom siya, gumagano siya. Gumagano.
Sino?
Si Mick.
Ay, oo, si Kayo. Si Sir Vic. Ano nga kanina.
Inom lang yung kahit.
How are you, my hon? We're not already married. I know you have wife
Ay,
already.
go.
You're so bola.
He found food in there, and that kitty is smart.
Yeah.
Let's see if he gets back in there.
They're finding food.
He's getting food in there.
Eat ball.
And he likes to climb in there. He put his whole body in there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, cutie. What a cutie. Oh, you're a cutie.
I wanna know it's sexy. I'm gonna just keep Bebe.
All the way in there. Look, my goodness.
I wanna know what's sexy. Pero hindi mo ba na-try magtrabaho dun sa mga agency? Ng Star.
Nag-apply ako nung una. Scar.
150 daw.
Oh, B, 150 waitress ka, B. Tapos binaba by far yung waitress by far. Oh, sabi ko, hindi na, B. Yung nailalabas pagka, kunyari, gusto nung, go to outside when they say that, bumbong, That's why, yung alaman.
Yeah, but you girls don't want to go there.
Ah, you're busy.
No, you don't want to go. Oh, you mean you want to work there?
No, I don't want to work like
No, you don't.
I don't like.
No. That is not a good life. Like, that's not a good
Yeah.
life. Like,
I
maybe
want to work like this one.
maybe they think that they have money, right? But that's not a good life.
Yeah.
Like, that's
You don't know, on the one day, you know, already.
I mean,
You
you
can have like HIV.
Yeah,
something
HIV,
like that.
something like that.
not only that, but you just have to spend your time
Yeah,
with
because you're going to
maybe people that
six
are ugly to
different
you,
guys.
like you're not beautiful. Yes, like it's.
going to six different guys. Oh my god! And you don't know that one of them has